So here, welcome back everyone. Today what I have brought for you is the details about JCCB counseling. A lot of you people have asked in the comment section, here give the details about the counseling, how the counseling process is done. So the thing is that I myself is a student, okay, after attending so many workshop, labs and classes and doing self-study. After a little bit of time that I get free time, I utilize it in making the videos, in guiding you, the new batch that is going to come in the college. So please do appreciate the effort, ठीक है ना? Show your love. Please subscribe the channel, share it, hit the like button. I don't normally tell these things, but I have to na. So let's begin with the video. So JCCB counseling, generally it happens after a month or two after the JEE advanced results na. So when the counseling notice will come out, I'll tell you when it will specifically happen, but a month after JEE advanced you can assume it will happen, okay? Fees vary for OBC and I think for girls, generally take it as 500 per round for general. So total number of rounds that are there in the JCCB counseling, it depends. Each year it depends. Last year there were a total of 3 rounds and it was not followed by spot round. The year before that it was a total of 2 rounds and followed by spot round. So it depends on the year, okay? How the students are grabbing the seats and all. So you can assume it to be 2 to 3 rounds depending upon the availability of seat and followed by a spot round. Take it as 2 rounds followed by a spot round, okay? So after getting your JEE percentile, they will take out a merit list. A common merit list will be come out, combined merit list, and counseling will be conducted. See here, counseling will be conducted. Follow the highlighter. Counseling will be conducted through online mode. Candidate will not be able to attend offline counseling. On the basis of candidate ranks, they will be called for interview round. Is nothing like that ना. काउंसिलिंग हुआ बेटे और हो गया तुम्हारा, समझो, इफ़ यू हैव गॉट द अलॉटमेंट लेटर. कंबाइंड मेरिट लिस्ट आने के बाद, ठीक है, उसके बाद तुमको चॉइस फिलिंग करना है. चॉइस फिलिंग में नाम आया, उसके बाद आपका अलॉटमेंट लेटर आया, फिर आपका एडमिशन हो गया, ठीक है. आप डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करिए इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके, ठीक है. ऑनलाइन होगा, नोटिस आ जाता है, ऑनलाइन होगा तो ऑनलाइन अटेंड करिए, फ़ी भरिए और आपका एडमिशन हो गया. कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं होता ना, बस बोलने के लिए. तो candidates will not be able to select the college and course stream on the candidate will be allowed to select the colleges and course stream on the day of counseling. It's a very important, these follow the points. So ठीक है, this is very important. After the allotment of seats to the candidates, they have to report to the concerned colleges for completing admission formalities. Mind you, there are a number of colleges that comes in the JCCB counseling. The first and foremost the student look for is BIT Sindri na, and after that there are 2 to 3 semi-government college, Chaibasa हो गया, दुमका हो गया, so Hazaribagh USET. So these are the colleges. So after the completion of the after the allotment of the seats to the candidates, they have to physically report to the college for getting admission. If seats remain vacant, that are very much chances they will after the first round, the board conduct the second counseling in which the candidate can participate. So documents required. The first and foremost document that you should have is the domicile of Jharkhand na, LRC, local residence certificate, issued by subdivisional officer SDO, ठीक है, or DO. So these are the other certificates that you need to have. 10th admit card, mark sheet and passing certificate, 12th admit card, mark sheet and passing certificate, and these are all. Go through it, take a screenshot, see it, what you asked. So when the counseling will begin, subscribe the channel. I'll make the separate video. I'll tell you in detail. If you have not watched, if you are confused about which branch to take in BIT Sindri, I've made a separate video. I'll put it in the description. I have segregated branch wise placement and all, branch strength. Go see it for yourself. And this is all about the JCCB counseling. Any doubt, anything else, I'm like a bigger brother to you, ठीक है ना, senior. So I'll put it in the comment section. I'll reply immediately if you have any doubt. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, there are something that this is very, if you want to get into BIT Sindri, it's very important that you subscribe my channel. Okay, fine. So That's all for today. Thank you very much, yaar, if you watched till the end, and bye bye.